Hughes Power System presents the world's first solid insulated high-voltage vacuum circuit breaker for 72.5 kV and 2500 ampere. OVX723 key advantages. Fully environmentally friendly product with solid insulation of the bushings. Low maintenance and long life cycle of minimum 30 years. Completely provide easily remote control solution. The electrical contact has the pre-wired SCADA interface that provides information about the switch position. It also connects to multiple cam switches and the heating element. High current vacuum interrupters do not produce any harmful switching products and are easy to replace in comparison to gas-insulated interrupters. The vacuum interrupter has innovative design, allowing the unit to be modularized for 1, 2, 3 poles versions for different applications. Normally, 2 poles versions are used for railway electrification and 3 poles version is used for electrical transmission systems, including renewable energy sectors. Superior 325 kV BIL rating. Connection terminals contain hole patterns in accordance with ANSI and IC standards. The OVX723 construction components. Thick top metal connection terminal also functions as a heat sink for the vacuum interrupter bottle that is installed inside the top bushing. Top solid insulated bushings that exclude the risk for SF6 gas or mixed gas or oil leakage. Lower connection terminal is the join point for both bushings. The lower bushing with the internal operating push-pull rod installed inside. Frame of 8 mm marine-grade stainless steel for complete protection from corrosion. Control cabinet with panels and indicators. Customized length pylons. All high-voltage products pass routine tests in Hughes' own high-voltage laboratory. The following tests are performed on OVX723. Power frequency, partial discharge, basic insulation, switch impulse, high line current, internal resistance, heating, mechanical test, X-ray emission, high-speed operation video, thermographic tests. The product has the following main characteristics. Voltage class 72.5 kV 3-phase, 2500 line current and 31.5 kA short circuit for 3 seconds. 140 kV power frequency at 50 or 60 Hz over open contact. Superior 325 kV basic insulation level. Solution for 1, 2, 3 phase systems. Anti-vandalism poles fitted with silicone polymeric insulators as standard. The cabinet is manufactured of the highest quality stainless steel. The external door contains the brief operational instructions. The internal door contains the following panels. This panel is the switch main mechanical position indicator. Red colors indicate that the switch is closed and green that the switch is stripped. The next panel with the yellow window is the mechanical spring charge indicator. It shows the status of the stored energy mechanism. The push button on the right upper corner is the door open indicator to the SCADA system as well as the lamp on function. The third panel is the switch electrical operation and indicator panel. The first rotary switch is the remote off local switch. The upper left green push button indicator operates the switch to trip and indicates the switch position. The upper right red push button indicator operates the switch to close and indicates the switch position. The lower right indicator lamp indicates the spring operation mechanism is fully charged and ready for a momentary trip-close trip operation. Operation buttons can be supplied with a safety timer from 10 to 120 seconds. A brief preview inside the cabinet. The mechanical safety lock pin is to insert into the trip and close mechanism. This creates a safe local blocking. Inside the spring operation mechanism is the mechanical operation counter, control electronics with its automatic fuses. The mechanical emergency operation lever is adjustable to a comfortable operational length. For more information on the product, please visit our website. By designing and producing our own parts and components, we bring your individual ideas to life.